Hello folks, this is a tutorial on how to run OAuth2l. It's basically a command line interface written in Go, and its primary aim is to create access tokens. So let's start. The first thing you will do is you will run this particular Git in your local, or you could also do it in Cloud Shell, and after that you will run it. So I'll show you where the commands are. It's over here. So first you do a git clone, and then you do an install by doing a make dev. So I've run both these commands in my Cloud Shell. As you can see, if I run over2l, it will give you the command that you need to specify. After you've done this basic installation, the second thing you need to do is you need to create the client IDs. So I've done that as well. Let me just delete it and redo it once for your sake. So click on create credentials, click on OAuth client ID, click on web application. You need to give a redirect URI. So this is the path where your code is going to be generated and sent forth. So I'll just give this as localhost as I plan to run it in my local. And after that, I'll just click on create. Okay. After I've done this, I will just download the credentials file and I'll upload it to my Cloud Shell. Let me rename it to a better name. After this, you need to run this particular command OAuth2l fetch. You need to give this credentials. So I've just generated this. I will and you need to specify the scope. So this is basically the file that I just uploaded. So let me run this. So after you've run it, you will get this particular command. This is a link to just to validate your user. So let me just click on this. I need to choose my account. Allow. So once you've done this, it will give you a callback, and in this callback there will be a code. You need to copy this code, and this callback is based on the URL that you had specified earlier, because I had given localhost, so it's going to localhost here. Okay, so never mind that. I click on this code, I copy the code and I will paste it here. Oops. Okay, let me do that once more. Allow. I paste this code, copy it, and I paste it here. And there you go. You have your access code generated here. Okay, so this is a very straightforward way of generating your access token. I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you. So once you've created your access token, you can go to Postman or any other tool. You can just give an API of your liking and just enter the same access token that you've generated with the authorization key. And if you click on send, So here I've requested a GET request for this particular project, and I've received this output. So the credentials work fine. The access token works perfectly. Thank you.